As temperatures rise this summer, make this healthy, low-oil chicken recipe to beat the heat. Fennel seeds, poppy seeds and pepper powder in a mild yogurt gravy create a powerful cooling combination that's not just gentle on the taste buds but also on the stomach. Join me in my kitchen to make this delectable treat. Let's get gobbledecooking. This is such a quick, simple and light recipe that I'm very sure you're going to be making it more than once this summer. We'll start by making a yogurt marinade. I have about 400 grams of yogurt that I have beaten well. I'll start by adding some onion paste to this. Adding a tablespoon each of ginger paste and garlic paste. Adding 3 tablespoons of powdered poppy seeds. Poppy seed is expensive, so if you want to use less of it, you can mix it with melon seeds or charmogoj. In goes 1.5 tablespoon of black pepper powder and 1 tablespoon of fennel seed powder, which are key flavoring ingredients. Finally, 2 teaspoons of cumin powder, a tablespoon of coriander powder, 2 teaspoons of vegetable oil and some salt to taste. Mix everything well. And tada! Marinade is ready. I have 800 grams of chicken and I do thoroughly recommend using fresh chicken on the bone instead of frozen chicken or boneless chicken. Coat the chicken pieces well with the marinade. Cover and let rest for an hour or 30 minutes at least. Heat just 1 teaspoon of oil on a skillet. Once hot, just dump all the chicken along with the marinade in the pan. Bring to a simmer, turn the stove to very low heat and cover the pan with a lid. Friends, cooking doesn't get any easier than this. All you need to do now is just wait for the chicken to get fully cooked, which shouldn't take more than 20 to 25 minutes. Remove the lid in between to turn the chicken pieces for uniform cooking. And just stir the gravy once in a while so nothing sticks, which it really shouldn't since the heat is low. This dish doesn't need the addition of water. The yogurt, chicken and onions release enough water to cook the chicken. But if you find your liquid drying up, just add a dash of water. The final consistency of this dish is a thick gravy. Oh, look at the beautiful droplets of oil starting to float up. Checking the chicken to see if it's done. Now is a good time to add some sugar to taste and adjust the salt if needed. Once the chicken is done, sprinkle some Kasuri Methi, crushing the leaves in your palm. Sprinkle some Garam masala. You know, if you serve this to your guests, they'll think that this is a rich and oily dish, but only you would know that it isn't. Finish off with some slit green chilies. Turn off the stove. Cover and let rest for 5 to 10 minutes. Serve hot with some steaming white rice, roti or paratha and impress your guests.